In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect form submissions with Elementor without requiring any coding knowledge. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well equipped to handle form submissions on your website efficiently and effortlessly. Let's start by heading to your WordPress login page, where you'll need to sign in using your credentials. Once you've logged in, navigate to your dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your website's control panel, giving you access to everything you need to manage your site. Next, look for Elementor in your menu options. Clicking this will take you into Elementor's editing interface. Elementor is a powerful page builder plugin for WordPress, beloved by many due to its user-friendly design and versatility. It allows you to design and customize web pages without needing to write code, making it accessible for everyone, regardless of technical skills. Once inside Elementor, we need to proceed to the edit mode. Find Edit with Elementor and click on it. This will load the page editor where you can modify and create new content for your site. Editing with Elementor is intuitive and allows you to see changes in real time, which is a fantastic way to ensure you're happy with each step before finalizing your design. With the editor open, head to the widget search bar and type in Forms. You might encounter a prompt suggesting an upgrade if you're using the free version, but for most basic form functionalities, the standard form widget provided will be quite adequate. This will bring up the form widget that you can utilize to set up your form. Now here's the fun part. Drag the form widget onto your page. Simply click and hold the form icon and drag it to whichever section of the page you want it displayed. Releasing the mouse button will drop the form in place. This drag and drop method is what makes Elementor so popular. It's straightforward and eliminates the need to wade through complex coding languages. Once you've added the form widget, take a moment to explore its settings and customize your form to match the needs of your website. You can add fields, adjust labels, and choose how submissions will be handled, whether through email notifications or stored directly on your website. Finally, remember to save your work. Hitting the publish or update button ensures all changes are live, ready for visitors to interact with your form. You've successfully implemented a form submission process into your Elementor site, all without touching a single line of code. And that's it. You now know how to collect form submissions using Elementor, highlighting how a bit of insight can empower your website's functionality. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial journey, and happy form building.